Welcome to another episode of MiyaBear Baking, except for I'm not going to be baking. This should just be called like MiyaBear Cooks or MiyaBear Makes. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to be making wax candy because why not? And for the filling, I'm going to do Jello because the thought of eating like just straight up jam, like mouthfuls of jam, seems gross to me. So my boyfriend got me some orange Jello and strawberry Jello. And then I was going to get beeswax for the wax, but like just a little bar, this size costs $4, and I would need probably like 10 of them, and I can't afford that. And I was panicking, and I was kind of telling this to a couple coworkers, and one of them's like, she's like, can you try golf wax? Like, would that work? And I'm like, I don't know, what's that? And she's like, oh, it's a wax used for canning and stuff. And I'm like, oh, let me go check this out. So I went to a canning aisle and I found this giant thing of Gulf wax for $8. Like, this whole thing cost the same as 2 little things of beeswax. And then I also searched up online to make sure I can make wax candy with this, and it says yes, it is edible. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to make the Jello. Let's see. The directions say, in one bowl add 1 cup of boiling water to condiments of this package. Stir until completely dissolves for about 2 minutes. Stir in 1 cup cold water and refrigerate. Pretty easy. Okay, I'm gonna go boil the water now. I just boiled the 2 cups of water, and now I'm gonna bring this upstairs. Okay, I thought I was filming, but I wasn't filming. I poured a cup in each of these of boiling water. I forgot the spoon. Oh my god, this water is going to be ice cold by the time I start, I swear. I got the spoon. Okay, I guess we're going to pour the orange one first. It is dangerous to wear this hoodie while doing this. Let's get the strawberry going before this water gets too cooled off. Smells like childhood. Okay, I'm gonna get the water, the cold water. Now I'm gonna do 1 cup of water in each. And now more mixing. Okay, just because I really want to, I'm gonna have a little taste test. Okay, now I'm gonna go find room in the fridge for these and let them get all nice and solid. And I'll be back. Okay, the Jello is hardened, and now I'm going to add Cool Whip to each one because I think it will make it taste more better. My grandma used to make a Jello with strawberry Jello, Cool Whip, and angel food cake. It was so good. So good. I don't know how much to add either, so I'm just going with my gut. Okay, whatever. I think that's enough. I think that should go there. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix it up with the Jell-O. Man, this looks so good. I want to eat it. Okay, now time to do the same thing to this one. This part of the Cool Whip is still a bit frozen, so it doesn't want to mix in. Okay. Now the next step is the wax. I'm going to take one of these chunks and I am going to do a double boil or a double boil melting way. I'll show you downstairs, but I'm going to melt one first because I don't know how much I'll need. So trial and error. And we're going to set these off to the side. The wax is melted. I did not have the molds prepared, but I got these silicone flower molds. I should probably wash them beforehand, but I forgot and I'm worried about this drying off, so it's fine. I'm going to be the only one eating these ones. So first you fill it with wax. I'm just getting wax everywhere. Like, I wish I had a upper view, but I don't know how you're supposed to do this a nice way. And are you supposed to, like, maybe let the wax sit inside for a bit? Ooh. Okay, I think I have to pour them. Definitely got wax everywhere, but is that good enough? I think I'll do another layer until this dries, and then I'm going to go put more, because I feel like that is not enough. I don't know how I got orange in here, but I got a drop of orange in here. Ooh, I mean, these are some satisfying peels. I'm gonna try showing you guys a satisfying peel. Oh, more orange. I don't know if it's thick enough around the sides. Like, especially this one is not. I think these two might be fine. I don't know. I'm going to melt this in another bar and put another layer, and I'll be back. Okay, round 2 of the wax, because I think this one could use another layer. I completely forgot a scoop, or spoon. So I'm gonna go find one or something. I'm a start scooping in the Jello. This is the only spoon I had right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna do some of this. Do 2 strawberries. Okay, that might be overfill. Now we're going to add wax on top. Okay, I'm gonna let these dry, and then I'm also going to put, see, I want to put some in the freezer, but I want some not in the freezer. I don't know, maybe I'll just throw the whole thing into the freezer. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna toss it in one or the other, and I'll be back. But anyways, I put them in the freezer for a bit because there's a lot of holes. They probably should be frozen a bit longer. It looks like the cream separated, the whipped cream separated from the Jello, which is weird. But here, let's try strawberry. That's how it looks. It looks cute though. I was not expecting that. I made sure to spit out the wax. I don't know what happened to the Jello. Why is it just liquid? Like, what is this? I mean, it tastes good. I don't know what I did wrong. Here, let's try an orange. Yeah, I don't think this one has any holes. It's perfect. Here's what this one looks like. The cream separated from the Jello again. I'm guessing this is going to be just liquid. It looks so pretty though. No. Ooh, it's more jello-y. Okay. Alright, let's spit out the wax. The Jello though, it's delicious. I wonder if I freeze it, like if I freeze it longer, and will it get like really hard and I can just bite it? I don't know. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna take these ones out of the mold and make more of them and then freeze them. Yeah, I don't know. I'll try that in my own spare time, but that's all the time I have left for this video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. See you next Saturday. Bye.